Good connection. 4 runs. Always difficult with a spinner inside the pack. That's whipped away for another boundary. Again, it's leg side, so 4 more runs. 7 off.
Yeah, that's bad.
It's got hold of that. There is a man lurking. And he takes the catch. Dahani has taken the catch. 12 for 1, I should say, and it's Fakhar Zaman gone. Oh, that's a bit of a gift. First up, he's put that away easily for 4. That's a
A bit of swing there now, and he's got him. It was wide, it was
in the air, on down. Down the track and stumped. Stumped by about 1.5 meters. Just a little bit of turn.
Bit of a room and race. He's into the thick of things, but he's given a little bit of width here to the... This will run away again. Soft hand. And then again, you just can't bowl here with that line. No, you can't do that. There we go. Hafiz, if you please. It's not really his go.
It was as much placement as power. Because what he did, and I will give him full credit for meaning to do it too, is get it absolutely straight. Got men out in the deep, long on, long off.
Well, Hafiz, he's trying, and he has found a gap. It's a very...
Down the track, hit that high. 2 fieldsmen circling, is one calling. What sensational.
Okay, fast contact within the boundary. And no contact there. Passes the ball to another fielder, takes a fair.
Sliced away, that's going to help their cause. There's a boundary, that's what they needed. Bit of flight that time. Tahir certainly hasn't been afraid of tossing the ball up a little. And there's another boundary.
Oh, that's gone. That's gone almost too far. Oh, that's gone straight and far again. Oh, he's gone this time. Clever. He's gone. Brilliant 69 from 46. Well, that's the first ball disappearing straight down the ground for 6 more. That's launched straight. That's going to go for 6 as well. This is carnage.
Really will hang back deep in the crease and pick up length very quickly. And the best place to hit them is straight, and they've hit them a very long mile behind.
Oh my word, oh my word. Has that got the legs? Oh. That's gone from the top edge. 1 bounce.
A little bit leg side. Shy at the bowler. 2 noises, bat on the ground and also a neck and dropped. And there's 4. It's nicely bowled and nicely played. Shy at the stumps. Might be an overthrow. In fact, it might be more than a overthrow. It might be a lot more. 5 off. That's fine, and that's 4 more. It cracks that one. And that's gone for 4. That's a very... Bowled him. That's a big wicket. Half.
Give him some air, but too close to sweep.
Goes for 14. Multan. It is going to be some sight. Oh, he wants one. Direct hit's gone. That is gone. Hesitated in the...
Who wants it? Oh, taken! Oh, nailed him! Time to celebrate here. Next side, squeezed away, boundary. Next side. Has he nailed it? No, he hasn't. That is fantastic. Next side, flicked away, boundary. Inside edge, rolls away, boundary after the timeout.
That's solid. That's very solid. What a good shot that is. 17 right now. Deep in the crease, lost his grip on that bat. And that's just... Again with pace. Is it out? It is out. Tim David says, whenever he goes deep in the crease, he's bowled. Got it underneath. That is a magnificent delivery.
For some time now.
Fantastic delivery. Watch that. Right in the block hole.
Again. Bowling. There it is.
The big man has to take the walk. 32.
Bang on target. That's high. Who's underneath that one? Who's going to take this catch? There it is. It's all over. Here comes the squad. The celebrations begin in the middle.